Morning, guys. Let's have a quick look at crypto. 6th of May, Thursday morning. Okay, so Bitcoin is still doing this. Looks like a correction. It could be a little push up, and there'll be 5 waves, and then some more, and then up again. Remember, I'm still looking for this to be finished here and go, or it could be the 3 waves for the B and then go to there. But right now it's looking quite strong. If it breaks this high, then yeah, we'll see 60, 62 quite soon. If I go to Ethereum, still at the top, bounced around a bit yesterday sideways, just won't go past the all-time high. Looks like I might want to correct a bit now, but we'll see how it plays out today. Litecoin has already pulled back from the all-time high of 350, or what's that, 360, 365. Wow. So move that up. So all-time high at 365. That's well done on Litecoin, breaking all-time high and made a new all-time high, and now busy with its correction. It has come back down to my channel line, so possibly from here it could bounce again, or I would prefer to see it do something like this to around about this area before we can consider buying Litecoin. But be careful. Remember, this could be a shallow or it could be a much deeper correction before it goes up again. So let's just see how it plays out, and then we'll have a look at it again in the next day or two. Okay, before we go, Ripple, Doji. Okay, all-time high 69. ADA. Remember I said yesterday, I said it's building this for a up wave, and it's actually done it beautifully. I actually tried to buy right there because I thought, oh, well, let me just get in, play this wave 5. Wave 5. And it wouldn't accept my order. So I'm like, I had to go anyway. So I left it. It was just going to be a messing around anyway. But yeah, if I got in, I would have made some bucks there. All right, so that's how it works. That's how it happens sometimes. XRP. Let's look at Ripple. Remember today there's going to be some news or some meetings happening today. So let's see. I finished the wave A here, and I said we could have a B and a C. Let me just go to 1 hour, more detail. Okay, let's do this. All right, so I said we've got wave A here. This correction could be done. Remember, I said this is finished, could be finished, and from here it can go up, or it could do just a 3-wave and then another wave down to this block. Yeah. Now, I woke up this morning and this thing is looking very impulsive. Yesterday it reached there, so we're all looking very happy. This morning I got up and this thing has shot right up to there, and now it's doing a correction. Well, that is good. This is a very impulsive move. So this I'm not looking at as a wave B anymore. Remember, this could have been A, the B, the C. That being so impulsive and not 3 waves, I can count 5 waves. So if I can count 5 waves, that means that's not a wave B. So this B here, I can get rid of. So it's definitely finished playing this ABC. So let me just move my AB. Whoops. Let's do that again. So that was your A up to B, and I believe we completed our C right there. So there's our 1, 2, 3 down, ABC, same level as this. We all bought down here, perfectly timed in there, got in 1, 2. So if I just zoom in a bit here, what I see is actually a 1 and a 2, and then inside there, which is my wave 3, a minor 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means I've got 3 waves done, and now we're doing another wave 4 before we do the wave 5. Okay, so wave 5 will be up here somewhere. Now that is your typical Elliott wave structure. So we got 1, 2, and inside wave 3 is also made up of 5 minor waves for those who are learning Elliott wave. And now we're just playing or looking at the correction. So this can come down to right about here somewhere. It can even stop where it is right now, which will be brilliant if it can just go from there. But be aware that it could be doing this sort of playing around and then go. That doesn't matter, guys. I mean, this thing is going to stay above there. It's not going to come down. As long as we stay above wave 1, then everything is valid. Then this is going to stay as a wave 5 before it does a bigger correction and carrying up again. So that's that. Looking good. So impulsive. In fact, this error I can get rid of now. This block I can probably get rid of now. And this is actually happening at the moment. So this arrow can go there. So if I just put my 4-hour chart on, so I've got a sort of area of just over 2. So if I look at, we've got that, and now I'm looking at, okay, this is even looking better than I thought yesterday. So I expect $2, $2.15, maybe even $2.20. But anything above $2 is going to be good. So yeah, hold on, don't sell, just keep holding on to your Ripple. Today might be a bit of a correction now, so don't worry about that. It's healthy, it's supposed to do that, and then we'll see how it plays out from there. All right, guys, good luck. Like and share.